In this video, I'm going to show you what you can do if you have this problem right here with Snapchat with the support code SS07, which means that you cannot create another Snapchat account. And this essentially means that Snapchat has, you have no access to make another account. And sometimes this happens by mistake. And the only thing you can really do is we can go onto our phone settings right here. Then we can scroll down a little bit and click on General. Then we can click on right here where it says iPhone storage. And then we have to wait a little bit, and then we can find Snapchat right here. And what maybe helps is to offload the app, which is essentially clearing the cache, because we are basically deleting it and reinstalling it. And this may help to create another Snapchat account, but sometimes it's not possible to create one even if you have done it. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.